Hey everybody, so this video is about the Hyundai Elantra. The clicking noise in the Hyundai Elantra sounds like a metal clacking by the engine, and I don't think it's the engine. People have replaced their alternator. It's not just the alternator, it's something to do with the electrical wiring, and I think it's the solenoid. Anyways, here's a picture of my battery. So the solenoid has something to do with the starting. It's like a solenoid is like a copper wire and then a magnet that goes through it, and that creates a charge which will ignite the spark plugs to start the engine. But when you're sitting in the driver's seat, you're basically part of the electrical wiring in the car. So if your body has a lot of nanoparticles in your gut, which everyone does because all of our food has nanoparticles in it, then you're going to be sending you might be interacting with the signal of the car. And because Hyundai it's a foreign car, and so it's grounded to the body of the car. The engine is grounded, so it's got this grounding here, and it goes to the body. Anyways, those are my hypotheses. It has something to do with, I think the sound is coming from the solenoid, and I think the solenoid is this, which it got very dirty. I had to clean this off, but I don't know, it might be like sparking from pulling some current from the battery, which interferes with the solenoid, because the solenoid is like creating a magnetic field, something like that. I'm really not sure, but that's my guess as to the Hyundai Elantra clicking sounds.